week of my spring break. It's the first time I've woken up before 11 a.m. Yesterday it was like 12 p.m. Same. Anyways, today the grand plan is to wash my bedding, wash my makeup brushes. I also have laundry to fold. It's just a catch-up day overall. It's like my day off today, so I'm like taking advantage. Okay guys, it's 11:27 in the morning. So far, I can cross that off, that off. I ended up getting called into work, so, but I was honestly expecting it because I usually, this is reflecting really bad, I usually work every single Friday, so I thought it was weird that I wasn't on the schedule this Friday, but then I asked the manager, and so now I'm coming in at 2 p.m. I have no idea when I'm off, but at least I had a good, productive morning, because if I hadn't woken up early, I would have had like 2 hours to do everything, and that just would not have been ideal. Moral of the story, get up and be productive.
This is Natalie out on the grass. Like, rarest occasion ever. He gets a little defensive. I'm sorry, that sucks.
Isn't that like the
Well, he's never gonna sit down because you didn't train him, ho.
I did.
Sit down.
Jackson,
Siéntate.
Jackson, sit.
Sit. I said sit, ho. Sit.
Wait. Okay, good.
Good boy.
Isn't that like the saddest tree ever?
Morning. It's 11. When I came up with like what kind of video this was gonna be, I was thinking, oh hey, I'm gonna like wake up early for this video and like just have this ideal productive day. But I have not been having early productive mornings. I've been having productive days, but not like I haven't been waking up early. And honestly, that's okay. That's just the era I'm in, I guess. I do go back to school in like 2 days, so only God knows how I'm gonna wake up early come Tuesday. For today, I'm going to finally deep clean my room, and I actually wiped like all the surfaces a couple days ago, and I have clips of that, and I'll insert some of it when I put in the montage. Because I already cleaned this, I'm not gonna do that again because it was a tedious process. I was basically just like wiping every single product up there, and I already did that once enough for like the whole year. I'm just kidding, probably until like summer. I already washed my bedding, so all I need to do is like make my bed. Also, I'm literally bald in my eyelashes now because I have been just plucking out my eyelashes like they're an abundant resource, and now I'm left with nothing. I'm laughing about it because if I don't laugh, I'll cry. Oh, I also meant to say that like the reason for why I woke up late today is because I worked until 11 last night, and then I came back home and then obviously did my whole night routine, took a shower, blah 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 blah, and then I just watched 2 episodes of Gilmore Girls in my bed, and then it was 2 a.m. and then I finally went to sleep. But sometimes they just get you, to be honest. Like, the episodes sometimes are just like, you have to put down everything and just watch, you know? I also have a spring playlist now, so I'm gonna be playing that while I clean my room. Guys, it's me a lot of days later. I didn't do a very good job at filming or editing this video. It's kind of more of like a catch-up vlog, because I mean, I haven't filmed anything in like 3 weeks, but it's just been really hard. Not because I'm busy or stressed out or anything, even though I am, but that's not the reason for why I haven't been posting. It's because the world feels like it's literally falling apart. The US Constitution apparently means nothing now. Every day things get worse, and most of it, like, we don't even know the extent of. Like, we don't know how bad things really are, and like, it just makes things so much worse. And I have a million assignments and I have to keep doing them because, you know, can't stop life. It's been really hard to like keep a positive mindset in the midst of this mess. Then I remember, like, you know, there's always been some kind of mess going on. So that like gives me a little bit of comfort knowing other people lived through worse things than this. Stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.